Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ayman Imtiaz. My topic is effect of GABA agonist drug on mice in elevated plus maze procedure. So firstly, I am telling about elevated plus maze. Elevated plus maze is a most simple apparatus to study the anxiolytic response of all type of drug. So once we put the animal at the center and head facing towards open arm, first. Now we have checked the reading for 5 minutes. This is what talk time which is provided. The preference of the animal for the first entry, the number of entries into close as well as open arm should be counted. Now what happened actually? Rats and mouse, they are rodent and feel safe in dark. In normal rodent prefer dark arm first, so anxiolytic drugs they would be expeditiously to increases the proportion of entries into the time spent in open arm. So when we talking about the anxiolytic drugs such as benzodiazepines or GABA related drugs, so I will discussing about the GABA. What is GABA? Gamma aminobutyric acid is inhibitory neurotransmitter, produces neuroexcitability, and our body produces GABA naturally. How does GABA work? GABA work as a nervous system binds nerve cells and causing the alternate ion channel and hyperpolarize so less excitability come. GABA reduces blood pressure, stress, and anxiety, and improves your mood, immunity, and muscles. GABA is not only induces relaxation but also reduces anxiety. Now, what is GABA agonist receptor? GABA agonist receptor is a drug that is an agonist for one or more of the GABA receptor, producing typically sedative effects and may also cause other effects such as anxiolytic, anticonvulsant, and muscle relaxant effects. There are three receptors of the gamma aminobutyric acid: GABA alpha, GABA beta, and GABA gamma. So the two receptors, GABA alpha and GABA gamma, are ion channels that are permeable to chloride ions, which reduces neuronal excitability. And the GABA beta receptor belongs to the class of G protein coupled receptors that inhibit adenylyl cyclase, therefore leading to decreased cyclic adenosine monophosphate. GABA alpha and GABA gamma receptors produce sedative and hypnotic effects and have anticonvulsant properties. GABA beta receptors also produce sedative effects. This is the gamma aminobutyric acid structure. So, about the mechanism of GABA, when GABA binds to a GABA A receptor, the passage of chloride, a negatively charged ion, into the cell is facilitated via chloride channels. This influx of chloride increases the negativity of the cell, that is, a more negative resting membrane potential. This causes the cell to have greater difficulty reaching the action potential. The GABA system can be enhanced by binding directly to GABA A receptors and increasing the synthesis of GABA. GABA is produced by decarboxylation of glutamate mediated by the enzyme glutamic acid decarboxylase. Some EDs may act as modulators of this enzyme, enhancing the production of GABA and down-regulating glutamate. Some EDs function as an agonist to chloride conductance either by blocking the reuptake of GABA, example tiazabine, or by inhibiting its metabolism as mediated by GABA transminase, example vigabatine, resulting in increased accumulation of GABA at the postsynaptic receptors. So when we talking about in elevated plus maze procedure, GABA mimetic agent display anxiolytic-like effects. Uh, Benzodiazepine anxiolytics through their activation of the benzodiazepine bind GABA receptor complex display robust anxiolytic effect. The present result shows that the GABA agonist mucimol following intraperitoneal administration exert anxiolytic-like activity of similar magnitude to that of diazepam in two non-conditioned procedures, namely the social interaction and the elevated plasmase test. These results show that GABAergic agents that facilitate GABA transmission are effective following systemic administration in non-conditioned anxiety procedures and may indicate potential therapeutic efficacy in certain anxiety states. So the result is uh, GABA-related compounds such as benzodiazepines or direct GABA agonists reduces measures of anxiety in elevated plasmas, and mucimol showed their well-known anxiolytic effect, decreasing the fear. The results indicate that behavior anxiety in mice is in correlation with the decreased number of GABA and benzodiazepine receptors in cerebral cortex. So this is conclude my presentation. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.